Imagine a world where machines intelligently learn, adapt, and assist us in our daily tasks. This is the promise of autonomous AI agents. These agents have advanced significantly, evolving from simple expert systems to complex entities capable of autonomous decision-making. The journey began in the late 20th century, with rule-based expert systems that could perform specific tasks like medical diagnosis. However, they were rigid and struggled with complex, dynamic environments. As technology progressed into the 2000s, machine learning and natural language processing emerged, enabling systems to learn from data and interact more fluidly with human users. Today, AI agents like OpenAI's GPT-4 and IBM Watson can converse, analyze data, and provide insights, all with minimal human oversight. So, what exactly is an autonomous AI agent? At its core, it perceives its environment, reasons about its goals, plans actions, and adapts based on feedback. This autonomy can range from simple task automation to complex decision-making processes. Organizations around the globe are recognizing the strategic value of these agents. From enhancing customer engagement in retail to improving operational efficiency in supply chains, the applications are vast. Notably, businesses deploying AI agents report significant cost reductions and increased productivity. However, the integration of AI agents is not without challenges. Governance and ethical considerations are paramount. As these systems gather and process data, organizations must ensure compliance with regulations and maintain transparency in decision-making. To succeed, businesses should adopt a structured approach. This includes defining the roles of AI agents clearly, establishing governance frameworks, and continuously monitoring performance. It's also crucial to address potential biases in AI systems to maintain trust and accountability. As we move forward, the synergy between human intelligence and AI capabilities will redefine our approach to work and decision-making. Organizations that embrace this evolution stand to gain not only operational efficiency, but also a competitive edge in their industries. In conclusion, autonomous AI agents represent a revolutionary shift in how we automate processes and enhance decision-making. By understanding their capabilities and ensuring ethical deployment, we can unlock the full potential of these technologies in our organizations. Now, it's time to explore how you can leverage AI agents to transform your business. Visit our platform for resources, tools, and guidance on adopting these intelligent systems in your workflows.